Hello. In this project, we're going to try to analyze the British Parliament and their political discourse through quantitative methods, including text mining and network sciences. We're going to try to answer the following 4 research questions. The first one being how the political activity can be modeled as a network. We also want to try to see what insights we can obtain using this approach compared to the more traditional approaches. We also want to discuss and view what insights we can get from using traditional text mining methods such as TF-IDF and LDA. And finally, we want to see if we can group together communities, political communities, and also understand what topics is being discussed within those communities.
So data pilot data. Our data was collected over a period of 6 years and consists of approximately 550,000 data points. Now each of these data points have a feature vector of size 20, which consists of House, if it's from the House of Lord or Common, the party name of the speaker name, and etc. For each of these data points, we have the transcripts of the speaker's statement, which will lay the foundation of our further analysis. The data set itself have a size of 676 megabytes. In our preliminary data analysis, we removed 5 of the attributes since they mainly or only consisted of non-values. We also located some dirty data, the party type that describes if it's from the coalition or the opposition, since that after a certain date, all speakers were attributed to the opposition, which is not correct.
We constructed the network using the transcripts that was just presented. More specifically, the first thing we did was using LDA to conduct topic modeling, trying to discover interesting topics in this corpus of transcripts. Then when we had the topics, we created a five-side network, with one petition being the members of the parliament and the other petition being the topics. And we then create a link between a member and a topic if the member mentioned that topic sufficiently frequent. Then when we have created the five-side graph, we would project it into 2 separate networks, one of them which only consists of members of the parliament and the other one only topics. And in the projection network, 2 nodes will have a link if they share a common neighbor in the original graph, and the edge weight will then correspond to how many common neighbors they had in the original graph. Then further on to the network features, we have in the projected graph, which we will focus on, approximately 900 nodes and then 50,000 edges. And the node attributes are the same as presented earlier, but I have highlighted some of the more important ones, which is such as the political party, the house, the gender, the name, etc. Finally, what we hope to achieve with this project is to use network sciences to discover community structures within the parliament members, as we can see over here, and then use text mining tools to try to figure out what is these distinct communities are actually talking about. Thank you for your attention.